Welcome to Vidyasagara School. Let's begin our daily assembly. Today's assembly is conducted by 5th class, mentored by Malleswari Mam.
Malleswari Mam.
Good morning everyone, myself Chaitanya from 5th grade. Today thought of the day. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Thank you all.
Good morning everyone, myself Tanusri from 5th grade. Word of the day, solitude, the state of being alone, often peaceful. Thank you all.
Famous Mysore Palace in Mysore, Karnataka. It has the official residence of the Mysore royal family. The palace looks beautiful, especially when it is lit up at night. Many tourists visit it during the Dasara festivals. Thank you all.
Good morning everyone, myself Tanusri from 5th grade. Great personality, Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond is renowned India author of children's book. Born in 1934 in Kasuli, he wrote his first novel, The Room on the Roof, at the young age of 17. Thank you all. Good morning everyone, myself Ashri from 5th grade. Today education news. ISRO is conducting a walk-in requirements drive for 462 equipment post of July 25th at VSSC. Thank you. Good morning everyone, myself Priya from 5th grade. Today post news. India will play Zimbabwe in the second T20 today at Haria Post Club. Thank you all.
Good morning everyone, myself Jaswant from 5th grade. Today news. The Honorable Cabinet has approved the development of 6 Bhavya parks. Thank you all.
Good morning everyone, myself Manjusri from 5th grade. Today news. AP sets 2026 counseling continues with web option entry beginning on July 25th for place 1 admission into engineering, agriculture and pharmacy courses. Thank you all.
Good morning friends. Today let's talk about water wastage. Do you think we waste too much water?
Yes, we do. Many people live with tap, running with brushing teeth, wasting water, lots of water. Water is very precious. Also, a small amount of this earth. Water is safe for drinking. We must its use wisely.
What can do to save water?
We should close the tap properly and use tap on the water we use. We can also reuse water, washing vegetables and water plants. If everyone little water every day together, we can save millions of liters. Save water, save